Dreamy must-eyed, lovely twinkling, twinkly sappy-eyed, Aqua turqua, happy day! Happy day on the farm. As the sun rises over rolling green fields, a happy little farm wakes up with a gentle moo, a soft cluck, and a friendly breeze that dances through the tall grass. Aish. This is a joyful farm where laughter grows like flowers, and every day begins with smiles. In a cozy farmhouse near the barn, Dreamy bush-tie stretches and looks out the window. She sees the golden fields shining and whispers, "Little girl, today feels bright and beautiful." Near the garden fence, lovely Twinkly waves to the animals and takes a sweet little bow. The sheep baa happily and lovely giggles. Little girl, being kind makes everyone feel welcome. By the old red barn, Twinkly sappy-eye watches the chickens peck and learns something new. She claps her hands and says, "Little girl, learning is fun when we look closely." Down by the pond, Aqua turqua splashes the water just a little and laughs. He waves to his friends and calls, "Little boy, come on, let's play together." The windmill turns slowly, the farm animals gather. It's time for the friends to meet. They come together in the wide open field, holding hands and smiling big. The sun shines brighter, the farm feels happier, and joy fills the air. Are you ready to sing, dance, and play with them? It's a happy day on the farm. It's a happy day on the farm. On the farm. It's a happy day on the farm. Dreamy, lovely, twinkly, Aqua, happy day. Ready? Let's sing together.